streaming. Believe it's working.
I check.
Yeah. Let me know if the mic's okay or if I need to turn it up. I think it is working though. I think it is working though.
It seems fine.
Alright.
It seems fine. Whoa, I'm really loud compared to your mic.
Shit, okay, let me turn down my desktop. Full blast. Okay, now you talk.
Okay, hello.
Is that better?
Wait, I didn't even hear myself.
What about now?
No, I can't even hear me now.
What? What about now?
Let me try it. That's better, I think. Yeah, we're about the same now.
Okay. Turn that
Your
on.
webcam doesn't look like that bad quality, which is good.
It's meant to be 4K. Whether it is or not, I do not know.
Well, I think there's different types of 4K, isn't there?
Yeah, true. Oh, I've got one viewer, which is you. I'd be amazed if I get anyone on here.
You got 2 watching now.
Oh, yes. Lucky me. I actually should have set this up beforehand.
Oh, now only 1, and that's me.
Someone left. Let's bring this closer.
You got a chatter.
Oh, wow. Do you change your profile picture?
Yeah.
I actually
I
am
had the
gonna...
other one for like 4 years.
I need to change mine. I'm gonna make it like actually my face.
Yeah, I think it seems like too cliche. It's like an old gaming sort of thing. Have
exactly.
like a logo or something like that.
I'll add you as a moderator.
Yay. So I can mod myself. Time myself out.
There you go.
I don't know if I can.
I don't know if you'll be able to do anything, but
Well, there's no one to mod yet, so.
yeah, that's a good point.
What are you actually going to be testing?
I want to look at this thing I was saying to you about yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't want to do like tons.
Only like 3 years then at once.
No, I'll do a year.
A year takes a while.
Yeah, but I don't have to do the whole year.
Oh, you mean year total and then not in one sitting now?
Yeah, yeah.
I was going to say. That would definitely take a while.
Also, I hate the fact they put the things down here now.
What?
They put the new order and the new session there, which is the most annoying thing. Because I have muscle memory to not do that.
I don't know why they change things when no one's probably complaining about it.
They change it all the time.
Yeah.
Because I keep going to look up there and then it doesn't work.
Yeah.
So
very.
Okay, so for like this is what an example of what I was saying about. So this wick here, this candle failed to close above this wick. So in theory, I should probably track this actually. But in theory, it should not work.
So we'll see.
Oh my god, it's always something. That's actually another thing I think about. If it does it in multiple candles, does that then count?
It's so annoying having to move it up and when the next candle prints, isn't it?
In fact, let me track this. So I don't have to keep doing it. I want to do. Did it win?
Some aesthetic spreadsheet there.
This is what you need.
Yeah, it's true.
Doesn't
That's
have to
the job.
look pretty. There we go.
You know, if you don't have to put did it win and did it lose. If it didn't win, then it lost. Like.
Oh right, yeah. That's a good point.
Yeah, so you could put it as a like a count if for if that's been ticked.
Well, that's kind of what I'm thinking.
Then it counts as a loss instead of having it as what are you doing?
I'm an Excel wizard.
Pick.
I was going to take a picture of it.
Do you need a picture?
Yeah, I guess you can. Oh my god. I guess you can see. Did it? No, it didn't. Did it win? No, it didn't. Good start.
Why is the screenshot so big? That's not normal.
I guess because it's a FX replay one. Like all of my, maybe all of my 1,040 subs just don't exist.
Well, you got one other viewer, so.
Yes, guys, chat, please engage, please.
You're saying guys like there's plural.
I guess there is if it's you and someone else.
Yeah, it's so weird. I'm watching your screen on a delay.
Oh yeah, wait, yeah, you won't be able to see. Okay, so this did close below, so it should work. Do you do it on this whole leg, or are you just gonna do it on that actual break?
The leg.
You do it on the whole leg?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Well, it's one push, isn't it?
You expect that to go all the way up there?
Yeah.
Fair enough. It did. Did it win? No.
Like 100% success rate.
No, that didn't work because it did actually close below the wick.
Oh.
So that one doesn't fit the hypothesis. Jesus Christ. Where is the high? It's all the way up here.
That's just a write-off when it's like that.
Yeah, there's no trade there anyway. It's not broken. Where have the sessions gone as well? It used to be on there.
I think FH Replay have their own session indicator as well.
Oh, right. Okay,
You
so
can
this
on
this should work.
Should?
It should.
More of a clean one. That stop loss looks tiny. Oh my god.
There must have been like no volume. Did it? Yes. No, it didn't work. Maybe I'm not on something.
Well, it's wait if it fails though.
So like
You
this,
can
that technically is not broken. So
yeah
we'll take it, but in theory,
microscope for that one though.
huh?
You need a microscope for that one.
Yeah, you do. Oh my god, hate. You have to adjust it every time. So that didn't work and it didn't break. So that's good. That proves my theory.
Yeah. So there've been no winners yet, right?
No, but that's fine.
Go to strategy, man.
Yeah.
Dodgy training's not worth it. Just retire.
Okay, that is not part
way
of it.
forward.
So that's fine. That's valid. Now, because over time, it will... I'm pretty sure I've tested 2025 already anyway. And I'm 99% sure I made money. So...
Well, it could. You'll just see if it makes any difference then. I guess, is that the only thing you're looking at here?
That's all I'm looking for. I'm just seeing if it makes any difference in terms of... Jesus. In terms of avoiding losses.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wi-Fi gone.
Yeah. It's back though. Does it change? What happens when it happens on stream? Like, what does it do? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Got the greatest Wi-Fi of all time.
Wait, why is that not? There we go. Yeah, why? What happens, like, when it does that on stream, what happens?
It just was buffering.
But then it comes back like normal.
Your face cam's frozen.
Oh. Oh yeah, what the hell?
I think it's back to normal, yeah. It's just
Okay,
your
that's
face
right.
cam. Yeah.
That's fine, I can just add that.
But if you were streaming full time, you'd want to sign up for an ingest,
What's that?
which makes it so that if you lose connection, it plays like a video you want to play or like a be right back screen or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
So the stream doesn't die.
Right, let me bring that back.
Otherwise, you lose all your viewers, don't you?
Yeah.
Whoa. Got wide angle now.
It's because that's so annoying that doesn't save.
What your
They're
webcam?
like, because I zoomed it in on purpose.
Oh, right.
But I don't have to do that every time. There we go.
The quality is not that bad for zooming all the way in.
Let me see how much I can do it. That's as much as it goes.
Damn.
And you can go all the way out. That's kind of funny. I don't know if this is because it can do 4K, but I don't know if that's. Oh shit! You can like. Whoa, that's sick. You can like pan the whole thing across.
Yeah, it's the bits you're not zoomed in at, right?
Huh?
It's the bits you're not zoomed in on.
Yeah, I think so. What else can you do? Increase the sharpness. What the hell? Saturation. Oh, there we go. We'll leave it like that.
That's you after a week on holiday.
Yeah.
That's crazy how it only makes your face orange and the rest of it stays like quite normal.
I know. Oh, there we go. Let's hope that it doesn't keep doing that.
Yeah. I mean, I did say that it would probably be an issue.
It's fine. I have to get a streaming PC.
What's your bitrate on OBS?
Where do I see
You
that?
should say it.
Where?
At the bottom, it was, I think.
Just says the KBPS.
Yeah, that's your bitrate.
Oh, 6,000.
Oh, it's fine then. I guess it just has random cutout moments then.
It just I think it's my PC being cooked, to be honest.
Well, if you stream every day for about 10 years, you might be able to afford a new one.
Yeah. If anyone wants to donate on this stream, currently jobless.
Thing is, you won't ever make money from the actual streams, really.
No.
Because I did a 3-hour stream and I only earned £20.
Yeah.
And I gained 80 subscribers, 6,700 views, only 20 quid.
Yeah.
Crazy.
This should lose. Look how small the stop is now. What the hell?
Yeah, that's crazy. There's a massive gap as well.
It won. Did it close below? I mean, yeah. Ooh, do I? Okay, this is an interesting way. Do you reckon I look at it as if the whole push down closes below, or the one candle?
It depends where you're entering from, I guess. If you're entering from a push, then use the push. If you're entering from one candle, use the candle. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's actually a tricky way to think. Thing is, if I did the whole push, I mean, you wouldn't have done that because that was 7:45. So you would have done there. Would have still worked. Maybe I do the push.
Yeah.
So that did close and it did win. We'll see how many times it cuts out.
You're already at 1 and what, you're 20 minutes in?
Yeah. Okay, that's
So far.
fine. So that whole push closed above. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's hit target anyway. Forget about it. Okay, wait, that one hasn't closed. I guess you have to take it anyway.
You start on the first of the month?
Yeah, believe so.
Already 23 days in. Not taking very long, is it?
No. Okay, that did lose. Okay, that's good. That proves my points.
Well, on not many occasions, but...
Hang on. You have to let it play out over the whole year, otherwise...
Of course, but it hasn't proved your point yet.
No. Where's Conduit, man?
VC is watching or not?
No. Okay, let's hit target.
Wait, it says I'm your top fan.
Well, yeah, you are the only one in this stream, so...
Yep, number one. Yeah. So that means I'm also last.
Yeah, you're first and last. You got 25 XP, whatever the fuck that means.
It's probably even one message.
Just seeing if it shows up on my YouTube.
I got a notification for it as well.
Damn, so I actually just have 1,040 fake people. Not one live person. Yeah, it does show I'm live. Okay, cool.
Trader Nick's live, those who are competing.
Oh, shit. Can't win that.
Yeah.
So weird. I was just looking at my old videos, like, where my room used to be laid out.
Waiting for the Oscarrforex trading HQ.
Yeah.
Whenever that will be happening.
Soon come. I've got 2 concurrent viewers. Let's go. Who's the other person here? Please put something in the chat. Interact with me. Right. That is a push above. So we go long. These stops are tiny. Look at it.
Yeah. It makes it so difficult.
Left me behind, this stupid thing. There was what month was it? I think it was in 2022. It was October and November 2022. Oh my god. The stop was about a candle width. It was literally impossible.
It's a bit brutal.
It was impossible. Okay, so this didn't close above, but it did break. So, in theory, this should lose. Ah. It worked.
Well, it didn't work, right? I mean...
Yeah, it didn't close above the wick, and it lost.
Yeah, I mean the trade in general.
Oh. So far, for the Oh shit! Wait, hang on.
Here we go.
Well, I just need to make sure I've done this right. So did that win? No. Did it close above? Yes, technically it did. Okay. This one. It did close below. Or close. Did it win? No. That one. Yep, fine. This one. See, I think it has to be the candle,
Do the candle then.
not the push. Because if it pushes, it will inevitably close below.
Not necessarily.
Mm.
Not on the initial push. Doesn't have to close below, does it? It can retest before that.
Yeah.
But just test the candle first, and you get a good idea of when it's happening.
Okay, right. That means I have to change this then. So
You should have thought this beforehand, really.
yeah, I should have stated the variables prior to the experiment.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one did not close above, and it didn't win. This one did close below, but it didn't win. So that's fine. This one did close, didn't win. This one did not close. Oh wait, no, this is a buy. Yeah, that didn't close. That one did. That one was a sell, and it didn't close below. And that one did not close. Okay. We're back. Figured it out. To be fair, we're only down 3% in January.
Yeah, I guess one win, you're back.
Exactly. Oh, fuck off. Okay, yeah, just none. So that did close. Cold. Yeah, that did close below. I think the best way to do it is the candle that actually breaks structure, but you use the whole leg of price, if that makes sense.
Retest.
Yeah, but it's in like you look at only the candle that actually broke the structure as to see if it covers the wick, but you still draw the fib on the whole leg.
Makes sense.
So like this one did close below the wick, so it should win. Although one uses that. CPI.
Don't get any flashbacks.
Uh-oh. How close are we to it? Should we rip
It's not worth it.
it? Come on. It's broken to the upside. AKA it will sell.
Hmm.
Oh.
Okay.
What?
Just you gonna do it?
Yeah. Wait, was that it?
Is that the
Oh,
130 candle?
yes. Cinema.
Just luck.
What do you mean luck?
Like, could have done the complete opposite.
Okay, so in January.
You know, you have to count. You have to news trade live now because of that.
Yeah, no, I know. Anyway, in January.
Well, you can put a little star next to it to remember.
Yeah, lest we forget. So,
Do you want to forget?
1, 2, 3, 4. Four losses would have been saved in January.
But any of the winners have it?
Yes, 1.
So you would have lost 6% of winners.
So
you've been negative 2%. Oh no.
no, because
Wait. Yeah, you would have saved 4% in losses, right?
no. Yes, I would, but
you
none
lost
of
6% of winners.
none of the ones that didn't close below or above won.
Okay.
So I would have. So I lost in this month 2, 3, 4, 5, 6% total.
Yeah.
If I removed those ones, I would have actually only lost 1, 2, 3%. So I've halved my loss for the month.
Wait, so you're trying to get it so that if it closes above,
If
you're not.
so, yeah. So if there's a wick in the high or the low, so for
Yeah.
example, this here, we'll just take this high. Remove these. So this high here, say price did this, and the push up. So the candle that breaks the actual high, yeah. You with me?
Yeah.
So the candle that breaks the actual high. If it does not close above this wick, then you don't take it.
Okay.
If it does...
You also had no winners though, right? Doing that.
No, I did. I had 2. But these are all trades that you would take based off your strategy. This is just refining the ones within the trades that you take.
Well, no, but your 2 winners are from closing above or below the wick.
Exactly. So
you would have had no winners.
No, you do. No, these did. Look. This candle. Oh, wait. No, okay, wait. That one didn't count. That one's off. And then, was this one? Yeah, so this candle was the one that broke the low. Yeah.
Yeah.
That closed below this wick. Therefore, in what I'm testing, it would be more valid.
Okay.
Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, I guess we'll see if it works. Yeah.
So that would have removed.
Do a little box next to it, like January calculations, and then do it for each month.
Okay. Ooh, wait, no. Let's do Jan. So, what do I want to know? I want to know. What's the best way of laying it out?
Well, what do you want to find out?
I just want to know if I took only trades that broken closed above the wick of the structure, do they then win, or do they have a higher chance of winning?
So do the columns for wick return, no wick return.
For this, or across?
Do it across the top, so then you can do Jan, Feb, March down the left side.
Okay.
So put it obviously above January. What are you doing?
What?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah, it's delayed, isn't it?
Yeah.
So for Jan, with the strategy,
And also put win rate, I reckon. Wick win rate and non-wick win rate.
what I'll do as well is so it's a bit clearer to see.
You don't even use capital letters for each word. That's crazy. And you used bright green. Oh my god. And bright blue. Oh my god.
What is wrong with that?
And you use different greens, of course.
There we go. So for Jan, with the wick strategy,
That actually hurts my eyes. That's crazy. It's like you don't know what the word aesthetic means.
so I would have. So let me just double
You
check.
gotta use the maths now.
Hang on. I just want to double check.
Oh wow,
So
3 plus 3. Ooh.
that did not close. That's did not close. That's did close. So that should be a tick. Yeah. That did not. That did not. That did not. That did not. That did. And that did. Okay. So, for the ones that actually did return, so -1, -2, -3. Okay, so that was 0%. And for no wick, so are we doing it? So for the no wick, should I include them all, or just the ones without the wick?
Just the ones without the wick, obviously.
Okay. So.
And if you want to know all of them, you just combine them together, right?
True, yeah. -1, -2, -3, -4. So that would be -1%. Win rate. I won one in 4, so 25%. No wick win rate. I won 1 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 20%.
Yes. Oh god.
Let me put these in the middle as well. Okay, so January was better. Break even versus -1%.
Wow. That's some extreme difference.
Hang on. They land. Wait, oh, it's down here. What the fuck? It's just gonna buy. Okay, so this broke structure. And it did break above So this should win.
The gap feels like 100% win rate confidence here.
It actually is. There we go. So, should I leave a line, do you reckon? Or nah?
Leave a line?
Like, should I leave a gap or nah?
Yeah, probably.
So that did close above and it did win. See, I'm on something.
Wow. Buy the prop fund challenge right now.
Okay, that technically broke the high. And it did close above. Are you fucking taking the piss? That did break but didn't win. Jesus. Microscopic break.
Break's a break.
However, that is not closed above the wick, so this should lose. In theory. God's sake. I actually hate this layout.
Thing is that you'll get used to it in like a few hours, and you'll be like, if they change it back, yeah. You know, at the top it says new layout. What does that happen if you click on that?
Oh, what have you just done? Oh, wait, nothing. It didn't do anything.
That's because you clicked on the thing behind it, I think.
No, I think it refreshes, like, the layout.
Because you used to be able to use the old dashboard for FX Replay instead of the new one.
Yeah, but I think now they've just forced everyone to use a new one. Are you counting? That is not a break. I'm sorry.
Well, did it break? Did it close above?
that is the worst break of structure I think I've ever seen in my entire life. It's not even structure.
Well, if it's not structured, then don't count it, obviously.
I can't trade that. That is ridiculous. Is that broken structure?
Gotta zoom in.
Oh wait, I think it has. No, it's right.
Has that actually broken though? Like realistically?
Nah, I'm not. If you have to do this to see if it's broken structure, that you should not be taking the trade. Yeah, gonna not be doing that. Okay, that has broken structure now. And it has covered the wicks, so it should win. Okay. Okay. This will probably hit TP before it. What news is this? Fed. Oh shit. It's power, man. Power. Nothing happens when power talks. Yeah. Wait, let me just skip forward and see if it did do anything. Next one. And what a surprise. Right, that's fine.
Not such a power hater.
Well, he's not in the Fed anymore, so.
So
We've not had any in Feb yet where it hasn't. Jesus Christ. Don't think I can take that.
why not?
Well, it's not even broken.
Well, if it doesn't break, then don't trade. It's simple, isn't it? Really?
Exactly. Okay. What was one that broke structure? This one, and it did close below. These all, yeah. What news is this? Oh shit, it's CPI.
Yeah. Well, last time, nice. You got to trade it again.
No, I don't think I'm gonna get there. Please melt. Next candle. Inshallah, Bismillah. Yes! Oh, yes. Do you know why? Because it covered the wicks when it broke.
Yeah, but just think about if that big candle was in the opposite direction, the whole year's results are just out the window.
Wait, how do you invert? Oh,
Control I think.
that's what I just tried.
No.
Didn't work.
Shift I.
Why would Shift I do anything?
Why
Control
wouldn't it?
Alt I? No. Jesus, that was stressful.
It's Alt I apparently.
Oh, it's Alt I.
Yeah.
Hang on. Let me draw the setup back on. There we go. Boom.
Yeah, but no, that doesn't make sense. You just have the stop loss going up.
No, yeah, it would be like this. Oh, wait. I need long.
This guy, man.
Yeah, be like that.
And would you want that?
Well, I mean, I don't think I'd be going short after it broke the high, but
But you've collected that data now, though, right? That's part of your strategy, and all your data's now.
yeah, you know what?
tainted
Fine.
with that what those two CPI trades.
No, yeah, fine. I will trade CPI.
Yeah.
absolutely
Okay. Okay, buddy.
Okay, so this is buy.
I wish you were recording your face when you had that 9% loss in 2 seconds.
I'm glad I didn't.
That would have been the funniest thing ever. Imagine you were streaming
Holy shit.
it.
Ended stream and never streamed again, probably.
Smash the webcam. Probably you'd have to smash something after that.
Yeah, you can't can't not. What news is this? Oh, retail. That's pretty rough.
It's nothing compared to CPI.
I don't know. Retail. I've seen some shit. Okay, we got. Okay. Go up. Please. Yes.
Okay, so you got lucky 3 out of 3 times.
Is that then luck if you have 100%?
Okay, but yep, the 4th time will just wipe out all the days.
9% loss.
Well, it's happened before.
It has, yeah.
So, you know, it is possible. And if you're trading with a prop
Okay.
firm, it's probably at 19% loss.
This will lose.
Wait, imagine blowing the whole prop firm drawdown in 1-2 seconds. That'd be so funny.
Your whole account goes kaput. This trade will lose.
Wow,
Well, that's fun.
you were wrong.
I'm actually
Thing is,
sad.
do you want to be right or wrong with this?
I want to be right.
Because surely if you figure out that it doesn't work, then you just cut it out of your trading.
Well, exactly,
you know?
yeah. I just scrap it. That's why I'm only doing a year.
So even if you're wrong, it can help.
Yeah, if I'm wrong, because then I know it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
There's not really a bad outcome to this.
Apart from a lot of wasted time.
It's
It
not
makes
wasted
no
time.
difference long term.
Yeah, but look at
Imagine
that.
end of the year, it's just identical results somehow.
I'm actually gonna go look at that Feb.
Yeah. It's funny because I actually made 12% in February last year.
Really? So I should lose one then.
Wait, should I see my March results? See if you can beat that.
Well, I should lose one more in Feb then if you.
No, wait. Let me see. Okay, January I made 3%, but I only traded the last week in January.
Mm.
February I made 12, and then March was 2.5.
Can I put my title backtest for me/Walls of
No.
Just thought about that. I don't think that really matters for that stuff.
Yeah,
anyway.
you're not gonna come up in the searches anyway.
Exactly. Wait, what did you make in March?
2.5.
Oh, that's fine. I literally need one win to beat you.
Yeah, I started March with a win, so you know.
Well, let's see how we finish Feb, because as I said, in theory.
Oh wait, you're not done.
No.
Oh, so your ego's through the roof.
That no, but that's what I'm saying. I could lose.
Okay.
I could lose one. Okay, so
If you made £1 million overnight, how much would you give me?
if I made a mil,
Yeah.
I'd give you 10 grand for your windows.
Well, I don't have a house yet, but yeah.
For when you do.
Yeah, thanks.
It's alright. What about you?
Oh, you're getting 0.
Oh, okay, fair. Nice. At least I was
why I
giving you
deserve it.
10 grand.
Yeah, but you don't have anything to spend money on. You don't need it.
I definitely need it.
Nah.
Okay, this will lose.
Also, I have something for you to do.
What?
I want you to collect 3 videos worth of forex and like trading TikToks for me to react to,
Oh, okay, yeah, I can do that.
but not ones that are just like people promoting themselves or talking about their strategy, rubbish like that.
No, that's fine.
Because I want to just sit down and film like 3 videos worth, so it's just like,
How much should I get for that master?
£1.50.
Yes. Halfway to the middle.
Well, not now with inflation.
Actually,
They're not £3, are they?
yeah, true. How are you only making 12% in February, by the way? This shit is...
I made win, 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 loss, win, win. But one win was only 1%.
I guess to be fair as well, I have full ported it through 2 retail sales and a CPI. So...
Yeah. What day are you on? 20th. I had a trade on the 21st.
Ooh, okay.
No trade on the 20th.
Yeah, I had no trade. 21st,
And then the next
yeah?
trade after the 21st was the 27th.
Okay, well, I see what you took.
But I only took 24 trades in a whole year.
Jesus.
Yeah.
So, did this
And they're
with...
all the like A plus sort of style, you know.
Okay, that did close below, so this should win.
I'm telling you right now, it did win.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
There we go.
You're welcome.
PMI as well. Jesus Christ.
Oh wait, I remember that actually.
You traded through PMI?
I did trade for it, yeah.
So you're just as bad as me.
I remember I was so scared when it retested the entry.
Yeah, and that wasn't even like a nice retest.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I just realized a flaw in our strategy thing. The no wick one, surely we should be including all of them because there isn't a strategy where we only trade if it doesn't close above or below the wick.
What do you mean?
Do you get what I mean?
No.
So for the no wick return one, we were just counting the ones that didn't close above or below.
Yeah.
But that isn't the strategy.
Yes, but like I said, if you want to know what it would be like for a normal strategy, you just combine them together.
Right, okay.
Because the normal strategy doesn't care about the wick, does it?
No, that's what I'm saying.
So it would be every trade.
Yeah, that's
So
exactly
so you go through the did it win and say in January you had 2 winners and however many how many losers? Like 7 losers.
So is it not better to do that for instead of no wick return, just do normal?
No.
Why do I need to know the data for just trading without?
Because you want to see the difference, don't you? If there's like it takes one simple sum equation to work out the total.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean.
But also it would just be one sum equation to subtract the wick return. Like it doesn't really matter which way round you do it because it's the same data, isn't it?
Yeah. Makes sense.
But I thought you were trying to compare the difference between wick or no wick.
Well, I want to see the difference between just taking trades in this strategy where they close above or below the wick versus trading the strategy normally.
Oh yeah, you just have another column that just combines them together then.
Okay.
But I think it's good to see the difference anyway.
Yeah. Oh no. Should put this as...
Oh my god.
What?
I just saw you do the bright orange.
So to work out the normal, what's the best way to do it?
Some.
Like this, or in the FX bit? Which bit?
No. Go to the little, you know where you have all the buttons, like the
Yeah, the
fonts,
function.
yeah, do that and just, yeah.
Somewhat.
Wait, it's just the delay is very annoying.
Oh.
You don't type it. Just do the thing.
Plus.
Oh god.
I don't know how to do it.
Never used Excel before.
Not like this.
The button, you know, all the column across that has the menus.
Yeah.
That little backwards 3 on the right.
Ah, functions. Okay, sum. Right. There we go.
And then click on the wick return of 0%. And then control click on the -1%.
What?
And then press enter.
There we go. There we go. -1. Okay.
Yeah.
Is
And
that
then, wait. And then when you click on that column, that -1% bit,
Yeah.
and you see the little blue dot in the corner,
Yeah.
drag that down.
There we go.
So it'll do it all automatically now.
Okay. Perfect. There we go.
God, it's like teaching a toddler.
Okay, that broke, but it did not cover the wick. You have to do it on this bit as well. Yeah, that did not work. I think we're nearly at the end of Feb, yeah.
Oh, you one more. Oh, whoa, you lost. Oh my god.
I did.
Crazy.
Did you say you had a trade on the 27th?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's a break, but it didn't break above. So this should lose. Yeah. Okay, 27th. Okay, I don't know what retarded trade you took here.
Game's the game.
Okay, that broke, but it didn't close above the wick. But I assume this wins.
27th, yeah, it should.
I don't know what trade you took, buddy.
Hey.
I don't know what
Wait,
trade.
let me see. Let me scroll back.
Unless you took a short.
Okay, Feb 27. Oh wait, that was the day I closed for 1% profit.
Oh my fucking god.
Wait,
Yeah, so you were just close when it didn't break the high.
I closed at 127.
Do you go short?
Long.
Why are we looking at the same one?
February 27th, 2025.
Yeah.
I entered at 9:04 long.
Okay, I don't even know why the fuck you were trading that, but
Break structure.
yeah, I mean, okay, well,
Did it break structure or did it not?
I don't know.
Yes or no? Did it break the high? Yes, it did. So I longed. And I closed at 127 because there was news at 130 for
Yeah.
1% profit.
Okay.
Rather self-explanatory. Yeah, you see that the candle before the bearish one. That's when I closed basically.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
I
the next trade was on
think.
March 4th. Actually, no, it wasn't.
Okay, so that's Feb done. So
Yeah, March 4th you'll have another opportunity, I reckon.
so for wick return took, so that's 3%, 2%, 1%, 4%, 7%, 10%, 13%. And for no wick, bloody hell, for no wick return, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3. Blue. 6. Yeah, 3%.
You really know how to make it easy, don't you?
So I mean, I would have made more just trading it normally that month. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 total. 1,
Do you want a little
2,
easy way of counting it?
4, 5. How?
Actually, no, it won't work because your win's not 1%, are they?
Percent of 7 is 5. 71.43.
You can't just do that in your head.
Nope.
Wow.
And for no wick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 40.
You actually.
Okay.
Oh my God. You don't know that 2/5 is 40%.
Oh, we should do a cumulative.
You can do this after, like just collect the data first.
Yeah, okay. Because so far, just doing it with the wick, I'm net 13. Doing it normally, I'm net 15.
Yep.
But the win rate, well, actually, the win rate's different. The one thing I would say though, it clearly is better than, like, say you were just doing it if it didn't. Like, there's clearly something there, if you know what I mean.
Yep.
Because, like, say you just did one or the other, it's far better.
But also, it's more profitable to do both.
Yeah, currently.
So you know.
I'm gonna say so shut up.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that is a trade. Don't know why you didn't take trade here, but
You know the goats don't come to work every day.
yeah. And this did close below, so this should win. Okay. Don't really know what that was. But okay. Interesting. That's going to be a buy. Presume this is what you did.
Maybe.
You'd like to think so.
Just saying it won't come back until after.
What?
You'll see. You'll see. You'll see. You'll see, you little bot.
Yeah, but then that's invalid now.
What I'm saying.
So, can't take that. I swear you don't do that. If it breaks, then breaks again.
I don't know what I did.
I'm pretty sure the strategy would suggest that, well, A, that's break, then break again. B, that's a break of a low. So,
Game's the game.
yeah, I mean, look, you know, I'm happy for you, man.
I hit TP, so I'm happy.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't matter how you get there at the end of the day.
Exactly. What even is a plan? Never heard of it. Plans are only good if you're bad at trading. It's not financial advice, but yeah.
Okay, so this will lose. Because this is a break, but it didn't break below. Okay.
Crazy, we're almost in March.
Yeah, I know.
Still not a billionaire. Like, what's happening?
I'm not even on a pound. I've also got no
Surely you got
job.
at least a pound now. Surely, at least one.
Nah.
Really?
I got this one. And that's it.
You're a proper baller. The thing is, you know, you got some cold hard cash there.
Yeah.
No tax.
No tax, exactly. How much do I have there? Like 1, 2, 3, maybe like £5, £6.
Ooh. I'm actually jealous.
You should be. Oh, it's changed to. It starts you an hour behind now.
Oh, that rubbish. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not taking that. That's the dumbest setup I've ever seen in my entire life.
What date? What date is that?
The 10th.
I didn't have a trade on the 10th, so yeah, you're probably right.
I'm not taking. That's just the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Okay. 7:45. Okay, that's. Do you have a trade on the 11th?
No. Have one on the 12th.
Why did you not have one on the 11th?
Perhaps I was just busy.
Yeah, true.
Missed a lot of trades from that, to be honest.
From what? Being busy?
Yeah, just not. Yeah.
Okay, to be fair, I did also not have a trade, so. You had one on the 12th, did you say?
Yeah, but it was only 1.5%.
Ah, okay. Wow. Okay.
Only Stripes trying to buy PayPal,
Really?
which means I'm getting perma banned.
Yeah, long day. Okay, I'm in it. Hit TP. How do you only make Huh?
It was news.
Not yet.
Wait.
Already hit TP, buddy.
It was news at 12:30.
Yeah. I've hit TP already. I entered on this candle. This tiny one.
That's not 12:30.
What? No, then yeah, this is.
I'm looking at my screenshot right now.
That is saying 12:30 to me. So I don't know about that one.
Well, my trading in the live conditions said otherwise. Because I closed at 12:14.
Yeah, I don't know then.
And that was, yeah. Wait, go back to FS replay quick.
I'm on FS.
Go 2 more candles is when I closed, I think.
I'll just CPID. Let's see. Ready? What the hell?
Is you sure it's a 1 to 3 for you?
Yeah.
Oh, my entry was higher than yours.
Okay. Bad entry. Fair enough.
Wait, no. Sorry, what on earth was your entry?
What's funny about that?
How on earth did you get in there?
What do you mean?
Like,
It broke structure.
what? Show me where the fib was.
Just on this. And then it tagged me in and then carried on up.
On that one little candle.
Yeah. That's not a push, so you have to do on that.
How is that not a push?
That is not a push.
Huh.
I mean,
Okay.
look, I made double your percent.
No,
so
it's fine. It's fine.
Let me just
We'll
look
see
at
how that goes, buddy.
I've tested this long term.
Okay, buddy.
Da-da.
That's such a bot. No one in the chat to roast you either.
No one's roasting these results. Look at it.
Yeah.
Yep. It's that 45% win rate. Jesus.
Pretty low.
Yeah. Only a profit factor of 2.5. What?
I had a 50% win rate in 2025, so you know, yeah.
Well, yeah, I haven't finished yet.
I finished a year with 20.5%.
Oh, okay, so one more profitable trade and I'll beat you.
Well, you just be done for the year then, right?
Yeah, that's me. Well, that's double the average return for the S&P, so...
But haven't you also had losing years?
Not with this strategy.
It's funny that, isn't it?
If I go to...
Actually, this mine, you suddenly have no losing years. It's
Yeah,
almost
funny.
like that all along.
So, obviously that one. This was 2022. And finished up at 11%. Then this was 2023 to the end of 2025. Finished up... Wait. I might have had a losing year in here. Oh, I haven't actually tested 2025.
Jesus Christ.
Well, anyway. So, no, I've not had a losing year because it would be 11% in 2022, 19.2 in 2023, 7.1 in 2024, and then I'm currently up 20% in 2025.
But.
So, and obviously this was when I was learning the strategy, so this would probably look a lot different now.
Yeah.
Because this was literally when I don't know if you can see when I last did it, but yeah.
Oh, you're welcome, I guess.
Thanks. Did pay for it, but yeah.
Are you finally using it?
Oh, a buy. Bonk. And we're in. Okay.
Would you rather be a profitable trader or a YouTuber?
Profitable trader.
Wow.
It's less effort.
I disagree. It's so easy to just film videos.
No, but once you have a strategy that you know works, all you have to do is just rock up and trade it.
Doesn't just work forever.
Should do.
Do you know what market efficiency is?
I do.
So how would a strategy work forever?
Because you can just adapt it.
So it's not the same thing plug and play every day then, is it?
Well, no, but... Anyway, let me just hit TP real quick.
I'm just saying the rest of the year is pretty dire.
Oh, really? Okay. Building a confidence there.
June was profitable, August was profitable, but September was profitable. The rest are break even or negative.
Jesus Christ. Alright, well that
Like
was a good stream.
I made
Thanks
all my
everyone
profit in February.
Appreciate everyone coming on the stream. Thank you for watching me backtest. As you see, we finished up 90%. Never need to do that again. Got 10 views to be fair.
Yeah, they're all me.
Let me pin that.
Okay.
Pinned it.
Yeah, now I've got a little shield next to me now.
Oh yeah. You do.
I can't ban myself.
Can I ban you?
Yeah, probably.
Oh yeah, I can.
Then you lose your only viewer.
I can time you out for 10 seconds.
You would never do that.
I did.
What?
I just wanted to see what happened.
My message didn't send.
What happens? Now you can type again. Pin that.
Lucky me. Oh, 75 XP, let's go.
Oh shit, yeah. I don't even know what that means.
I think you get 25 for each message.
But what can you do with it?
It's just a cool leaderboard, I guess.
Oh. Also, my Wi-Fi's actually behaved itself since that first little whoopsie. Been live for an hour since it crashed.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
So it's doing alright. Wait, did I just lose a sub from going live? Hang on a minute. Oh my days, I lost a sub.
And it makes sense because remember people aren't all sub free for forex.
Yeah, true. But like, what the fuck? That's a bit mean. When was my last upload? April 9th, 2025. Holy shit.
Wow, the slacking is crazy.
Nearly a year. Do you leave your lives like up on your YouTube after you've done them?
Yeah.
Fair.
I get thousands of views after.
This is my old one. Right. There we go. This is so weird to see. This is when I was back at uni.
You know you're not showing it. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at these quality ad trades.
They're all the same horrible colors.
Yeah.
It's like, why not? Why not show it?
How long was it? An hour. Look, I had so many people. What the hell?
What do you, Arun? what
Pretty
do you
sure
mean?
that's 2
How,
people.
Just tell me, how long have you
Oh
been
wait,
trading?
3.
Three.
3
yeah.
people.
Just answer me how long
So
you've been
Ben
trading.
doesn't count.
That's a good question.
Oh yeah, I forgot Eliza and Clara joined.
Really?
Look,
Oh god.
and there's Clara. Say hello to Eliza.
Wow, she's sending the same emojis as me.
Oh yeah.
I get.
Why are they both orange?
I don't know. That's actually quite funny.
Wait, everyone's orange actually.
If you can see on the hour, that's what I'm sort of looking at. In fact,
But that was an
let me
exciting live
readjust
stream.
that.
What do you mean?
That's what I'm looking at. Sells from there on gold.
It probably worked.
It's not trading like that.
You probably went offline before it even had time to play out though, I bet.
Hang on.
Trade it.
Yeah, I probably did.
It's the goal. At the
Yeah.
end of the day.
So then you didn't have to be accountable for if it lost or won.
I'm also intrigued by this buy over here. What's that about? Why have I bought that?
You would... Yeah, yeah.
I literally bought the falling knife.
And now you're thinking, like, I've never seen so many bearish candles in a row like that before. Why are those retests just 2 candles every time?
Yeah, that's mental.
There we go.
Yeah, this is crazy. I expected it to sell all the way to there.
Like gold as well.
That's crazy. The gold was trading at 1968, and it's now trading at like above 5100.
Yeah. You could have just bought and held.
Yeah, like above 5100.
Yeah, it's almost at 5.2 today. Oh wait, it was at 5.2. You get like a yearly price action move on GU on gold in about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So I can't believe GU today. It's just crazy.
It was pretty rough.
The day I filmed a day in the life, of course.
Then the life of me getting fisted by a currency pair. Part 1. Oh wait, that trade lost, didn't it? Let me go to notes. So is March a losing month for you?
No.
Oh.
Plus 2.5, remember?
Yeah. Well, this is where this strategy may do well, because it might not make a difference in the winning months, but it might make a difference in the losing months.
Yeah. Guess we'll see.
Capital preservation. So that did not close below the wick, so this should lose. Yeah.
The issue is though, you don't have anything to preserve.
It's not very nice.
Why did you type "let's go chat"? I just saw it.
I was hyping up the chat.
Yeah, everyone's hyped to be fair.
Someone's got to do the engagement.
That's true. Wait, is next week NFP?
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Full port on alive.
You got to, yeah. I had 300 people watch me full port.
Wait, someone said, how old are you, bro? I am 23.
No one said that.
No, yeah, someone did. Said, how old are you, bro? And I said 23.
It's getting so bad, you start hallucinating chat messages.
What are you on about? What is your win rate? My win rate is 45% currently on this backtest. Yes, I do have Telegram. Links in the description if you want to check it out.
I needed help.
What? I'm getting engagement.
Oh, another chatter.
Wait, what?
There's another chat.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, there is.
I'm literally looking. There is not.
They asked you a question.
What they ask?
What is your net worth?
Why has that not come up for me?
You can't see that.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, it didn't. Oh wait, there you go. Oh wait, no. Why can you only put emotes?
Wait, it doesn't show my text.
Wait, just type anything. Oh yeah, I can see that. I don't know why that other one
You
didn't.
can't see my question.
I don't know why that didn't come in. Oh, what is your net worth? Okay, so my net worth begins with, it's like a 1, and then there's like
Then it just mentions there.
there's like a bunch of zeros, but there's like a glitch on my app at the moment. There's like a little dash before the 1. I don't know why. I don't know why that's that. I already contacted them and said that it's bugged.
Yeah.
But hopefully that gets fixed soon. So it's in around 1 million.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, buddy.
Can I have some, bro? No, sorry, I can't give you any of that. You can't do that. Should I just go into Nick's stream and just start spam promoting my stream? Guys, this shit is ass. Come over to Oscarrforex.
Vibrant community over here.
Vibrant, thriving channel. I mean, look at this. Wait, what the hell? You see that? The wick, like...
It looks pretty normal to me.
No, wait. You go back a bit. Yeah, watch this. You see this? That's not worked. Wait. Okay, watch this wick here. This one. Watch that. Ready?
Yeah.
What the hell is that? See it?
Oh, it disappeared.
Yeah, it just popped up on the next.
Disappeared.
That's so weird.
Yeah. I heard that only happened to losing traders though.
Fair. Yeah, probably.
They add it in to make it even harder for you.
Oh god. Okay, I have to go. Oh wait, no, I don't. It's not even London yet. Now it's London. Okay, so failed to break above the high.
You ever clean your mouse?
My mouse? No. Do you?
Yeah.
I actually should clean my stuff because holy shit, it's so dusty at the moment.
Yeah.
That Oh my god, it tagged me in to the pip. That's crazy. Look at that. Let's just observe that for a minute.
How is that possible?
Let's just observe. So. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
All right. Anyway. There we go. Beautiful trade. Are we up for March? Yep. 6%.
Quite 2.5, but you'll get there, I guess.
You are the GOAT. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Okay.
Okay. No. So you finished up 2.5, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what we need to beat.
New chatter.
It doesn't come through if you.
Oh my god.
What the hell do you do?
They're nerfing me.
It doesn't work when you just do some weird shit to it. It only works when you did it like normally.
Add emotes. Wait, why did it send that?
It didn't. It hasn't sent anything for me. The last question I had from you is, "What's your net worth?"
What that?
No.
Oh my god. Wait, I got an idea. Wait, I can't pin stuff, damn it.
No. Why would you wanna?
Well, I thought mods could pin stuff, they can on Twitch.
Oh right. Yeah, because they always go like, "Oh, mod like pin this."
Yeah. I guess they'll never know the answer to that question.
Yeah, that's it, man. Unlucky.
Just a sign.
Imagine we've had people in this chat the whole time, and we just none of their chats came through.
That'd be so funny.
I put in a shift here. Can someone donate?
You finished shift, it's not even been in 2 hours.
Exactly.
You don't even have a donate feature, by the way, because you're not monetized.
Oh shit, yeah.
There's not even a donate button.
Fuck. I can't even get monetized.
No, I had a donation.
Did you?
£4.99.
Someone said you £4.99. The fuck?
Yeah. Apparently they made become a full-time trader from my videos.
So they send you £4.99.
No, yeah, only £4.99.
I would have been
Not like
like,
a
"Oh,
little
fuck."
20% cut or anything.
Maybe I should. Oh my god, this could be a strat for a mentorship if you had faith in your strategy.
No charge and just commission.
No charge, and you take 30% of every payout.
Yeah, you'd need some strong contracts for that though.
Yeah, you would.
Because if that was me, I'd take the payout and just say I didn't get one. Easiest scam in the world.
Scam and get
Or just
scammed.
do it in your family's name or something, and there's just no record of you ever getting a payout.
Did this break structure?
A structure break is more about what you think a structure break is, you know?
It didn't anyway.
In the mind.
That's not a structure break.
What is structure?
Well, structure is how the market moves. It's the visualization of liquidity being handed between buyers and sellers. Essentially, when there is more sellers, price drops. When there's more buyers, price goes up. Also known as supply and demand.
Wrong.
No, that's not wrong.
Wrong. Markets don't exist.
It's all Fugazi.
BlackRock convinced you it exists, but it doesn't.
Well, actually, according to ICT, he got bundled into a van, blindfolded, and told they'd kill him if he ever told the secrets of the market. So
You're right, actually.
you have to remember that.
I didn't even think about that.
Go to TP. I've seen this before. I've seen this before. You motherfucker! Are you taking the piss?
Game's the game, man. It's exactly what I went through today. Up $5,000. Then losing 2,000. Just amazing.
Did that? Yeah, it did. You fucking bitch. We need to start winning. You watching YouTube?
I'm editing.
Oh, fair.
Yeah, in the life of Oscarrforex, obviously.
POV, you just lost $5,000.
Trading, filming on the new 17 Pro Max, 512 gig, orange.
I mean, the orange bit isn't a flex, it's just a fucking colour. So let's, relax.
No, the orange was actually more expensive on Amazon, so.
It actually was. No way they charge you extra for a different colour paint. That's insane.
I think it was. Let me check. I didn't buy it on Amazon, though, because I didn't want to wait for delivery. Oh, wait. No, it's the same price now. But the orange is out of stock, so you can't even get the orange.
Who buys fucking orange phones anyway?
You can buy what colour is that? Deep blue. Disgusting. Orange, 512 gig, 6.9 inch display. Yeah.
I mean, it's literally the same phone as mine.
How many inches is yours? Not 6.9, so.
Don't make me whip the receipts out, because I will.
Wait, what's yours? 16?
16 Pro.
Wait, is the end there?
Yes, it ends there. What's wrong with the 16 Pro?
Oh my god, a little baby phone.
Oh my god.
Wait, what? Wait. Okay, so you can buy a 16 Pro right now for £560.
Yeah, so?
I paid 1,400.
I didn't want to do this, but here we are.
You're
Right.
gonna get absolutely smoked to get to 17 Pro Max.
Bigger display.
What about?
Okay, that's obvious. Same XCR display, same promotion, same always on, same dynamic island.
0.6 inches is massive.
I don't care about the size there. Anyway,
And basically 10% bigger screen size.
aluminum unibody titanium frame. Titanium is fast. Stupid Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
I'm not done yet. Hang on.
Oh wait. Better scratch resistance.
No, wait.
Ceramic back shield. A19 instead of A18.
Well done. Hang on.
37 hours of video playback instead of 27.
How are you fucking reading this?
I was reading it from your stream.
Yeah, I've turned it off.
I can see that now, but I could see it. Oh wait, I can just skip back. You already had 27 hours of video playback. Oh my god. How does it feel to be a brokey?
Hang on. Why is my
What are you
webcam
doing?
not working?
You gotta deactivate and activate it again.
Yeah, I've done that.
Remove it and add it again then.
There we go.
You've lost your other viewer now, by the way.
Yeah, what?
Whoa, why are we backwards?
Hang on.
Why? Have you got a bucket of coal behind you?
What?
The hell is that?
What is that?
It's a bucket. You're a metal bucket.
What is that? Wait.
Wait, just look behind you. What do you mean, what is it?
I swear to God, that's not behind me. I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's the top of your drink.
Oh, it's here.
Why does it look like a metal bucket?
I was thinking behind me and I was like, I actually can't see anything. What is that? Oh,
You
man.
thought it was just on the webcam.
I don't know what that was.
This is good production.
This
What am I
is
seeing?
professional. There we go. Right. Let me zoom in a bit more. That's so annoying. That happens every time my fucking internet does it. Okay.
We have no screen.
Hang on. Just fixing it, chat, 1 second. There we go. Right.
You need your headset as well.
Yeah, I do. Okay, so that scratch resistant stuff not proved. Ceramic sits shield back.
Ceramics are strong,
Great,
it's like
you can have that.
untouchable, so...
Same water resistance, the same chip in the same...
No, 18, no, A19.
Yeah,
Instead
but
of A18.
same 6-core CPU, same GPU, you just have neural accelerators for your fucking Jetpack Joyride and other games that you play on your phone.
That many games, sure.
16-core neural engine, literally the same. Hardware accelerated ray tracing, literally the same. Obviously, you're going to have...
10 more hours.
Well, obviously, because you have a bigger battery.
Whoa, you even got a camera there. Like, what?
So
18 megapixel front camera.
great, useful.
Tap to zoom, center stage, dual. You don't have dual capture.
Anyway,
I can record my face and the back at the same time. You know.
cool. In terms of
Which you can see featured on Wheels Effects new day in the life video coming soon.
so 48 Pro Fusion camera system, that's the same.
Wait, you don't have a 48 megapixel fusion telephoto. You just have a telephoto. Okay. What? Whoa, are you missing it? Oh, you don't have. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
No, literally have the same high resolution photos, the same portraits and depth control, the same macro thingy, the same
Wait.
Dolby Vision up to 4K.
Wait, you can't zoom to 8x?
Pretty sure I can.
I'm pretty sure it says you can't. I always zoom to 8x. That's like the optimal zoom.
I mean, I can zoom to 8x. I can do to 25x. You can see.
It says you can't actually.
Okay, I don't think it's gonna let you see that, but
I can go to 40x, by the way.
okay, nice. Apple Intelligence.
Wait, why does your screen have a bezel?
What do you mean? Why does it have a bezel?
17 Pros don't have a bezel.
Mine, the bezel was just my case. There is no bezel. See?
Well, you didn't have a case.
Yeah, no, I had to put it back on because I dropped it. It's all right though. See?
Dropped it within a week. Okay.
It's fine. I have cracked the front screen
Yeah,
there.
keep going, keep going, keep going.
Anyway, same. Literally the exact same display, just bigger.
Wait, no.
It literally is.
Oh wait, 22 watt charging for you. Mine's 25. There we go.
What?
Wait.
But you don't have a wireless charger. So what is the?
I do. My car has a wireless charger actually. So.
Yeah, but not to charge like.
No, wait. You said it's all the same.
need
I've
the
noticed
adapter.
differences.
You need.
I've noticed different. Okay, so
You don't have the adapter.
I have 2868 by 1320 at 460 ppi, whatever that means. You only have 2622 by 1206. Mine's higher. You only have 2000 nits at peak brightness outdoors. I have 3000. Very nice. Did you go down to size and weight?
Well, obviously yours is going to be bigger and heavier.
Oh wait, mine's taller and wider.
Yeah,
and-
I mean,
Yeah.
obviously.
Um.
So basically, from this, you can film your face and your fucking dick on the same screen. You have a bigger battery and a bigger screen. That's it. For nearly $1,000 more.
Imagine only having a 12 megapixel telephoto. I have a 48 megapixel fusion telephoto.
And that means nothing. You don't know what that means.
Yes, I do. It's
What's
about.
a telephoto?
It's when you zoom in a long way. I took photography at GCSE. I know this stuff.
Fine.
I should not have fusion telephoto.
I don't take pictures, let alone at 25x or whatever it is.
Well, I can take them at 40x. Just saying.
Everything else is the exact same, by the way.
Okay, apart from the screen brightness, apart from the chip, apart from the screen size, apart from the photos, apart from the video, apart from the battery, apart from
Wait, hang on. No. What's different with the chip here? I'm just looking.
A19,
It looks
A19
like
uses A18.
but I'm just looking at the actual chip.
Wait, neural accelerators, you have those?
Oh, okay. So it just controls.
Oh,
them
you
this
don't.
way.
Oh, okay. So there is a big difference.
Right. And what's a neural accelerator?
A neural accelerator, in simple terms, it accelerates the neutrons.
Neutrons, nice.
Yeah, the neutrons, they're negatively charged inside the...
How can a neutron be
nuclear-
negatively charged, you fucking moron?
Well, okay, it's
So I'm wondering. Wait, I need to fact check that now. Yeah.
okay.
How can a neutron be
Maybe,
negative?
maybe I was thinking of an electron, but
Clues in the
If it
name,
is-
buddy. Neutron.
okay, electron. How does that like correspond to negative?
Well, because it has an electrical charge. And
So how's that negative?
by process of elimination, the other one is proton,
Proton.
which
Yeah,
is
but proton
positive.
could be negative.
No. Okay.
We've just established that it's worth the extra money then. Okay.
I'm not paying $1,000 extra for a telephoto at 48 fucking X or whatever it is.
Well, that's because you can't.
Or center stage. Like, no one uses that. Wait,
I don't even know what that is.
exactly. Dual.
I used dual capture today though.
Great. That's literally all the same. That's all the same.
I mean, you can just accept defeat.
I know, but I don't really.
Oh, wait. Video playback. You've been destroyed.
Hang on.
Wait, mine charges 50% in 20. Yours is 30.
No, he literally said 20 as well.
Up to 50% charge in 20 minutes. Yours is up to 50% in 30 minutes. So, I mean, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. You know how to do punctuation, right? And my business paid for it, so you know. Performance and power, camera upgrades, battery, display, yeah, just name it all, yeah. I have to charge my phone once every 2 days, by the way.
I mean, my phone's fine, battery wise.
Yeah, tiny screen, less usage, smaller camera, everything. It's gonna use less energy, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
Because it's such like a little budget phone, so. I mean, you'll get there one day. I mean, it's a big milestone for you if you were able to get a 17 Pro Max Orange 512 gig.
Well, it would be if I cared, to be fair, yeah.
Yeah, I usually check the time on my 17 Pro Max Orange 512 gig instead of my Rolex Datejust 41mm rhodium dialed diamond set. But yeah.
Hmm.
I guess game's the game, I guess, isn't it?
Alright, time to end this stream.
Say bye then.
Bye, guys. End.